Hello students, we are going to discuss about the simple distillation method. It is one of the simple distillation method. Principle is that when two miscible liquid are mixed with each other and they have fast difference between their boiling point, then we can use this method for separating them from each other. For example, which is given in your book, acetone and water. Both are miscible liquid. Miscible liquid means the liquids which will mix with each other to form a homogeneous mixture. So these two are mixing with each other. Suppose we have to separate these two liquid from each other. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade and the boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees centigrade. So these two can be separated by the simple distillation method. Now let us discuss the method. In this method, we will take a white mounted bottle like this. One device is taken and inside this device we are taking the mixture of acetone and water. Now this is the cork. Through the cork, by making a hole, we are putting a thermometer. This is the thermometer. The thermometer bulb should touch to the liquid. Now, just above to the liquid. This is the thermometer reading we will get here. Now, another thin, narrow tube passes through it. Very thin glass tube passes through it. It is bent in this way. This is a very thin, narrow glass tube. Around this glass tube, another glass tube is surrounded around this thin glass tube. Now, this is one inlet here. This is one inlet here. This is the outlet. Through this inlet, continuously ice cold water enter and circulated around this thin narrow tube, and this is the outlet through which the ice cold water will passes out. Now this whole apparatus is for so that it will be fixed here. It is connected to a clamp stand and keeping fixed here. Okay. Now we have the mixture of acetone and water here. We will apply the heat energy from the bottom. We can use anything, spirit lamp or the burning any Bunsen burner, anything you can use. When we apply the heat energy on it, at first both the liquid will start heating up. We will observe the record of the temperature here in the thermometer. We will observe that when the temperature is at 56 degrees centigrade, one of the liquid is vaporizes, and that is nothing but the acetone. Acetone will vaporize and vapors of acetone will pass out and passing through this thin narrow tube. And when this gas will come to this portion, in this portion, the gas will come to the contact of this ice cold surrounding. Ice cold water is continuously circulated around it, and because of that reason, this ice cold water will give a cold environment to this glass tube through which the acetone vapor is passing through it. Now this vapor, due to this cold environment, this vapor will convert it back to the liquid again, and we will collect it here in a container. So till the whole amount of the acetone will not converted to the vapor state here, still then the water will be in the liquid form, because for water the boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade, very much fast difference than that of the acetone. Acetone is 56 degrees centigrade, water is 100 degrees centigrade. So at 56 degrees centigrade, acetone will vaporize, passes through this portion. This portion is called condenser. So here, because here the vapor will condense back to the liquid, that's why we call it condenser portion. So the vapors of acetone will passes through this thin narrow tube, and here in the condenser portion again it will be liquid and we will collect it in a beaker. So after then when it will reach at 100 degrees centigrade, then only the water vapor will start forming, and again we are collecting in the same way. Since the boiling point of acetone and water is fast different, so till the whole amount of the acetone will not collect, the water will not convert it to the vapor state. Then it will be easier for us to get the acetone and the water separated from each other by this particular method. Thank you.